42% of adults over 50 in the United States are now clinically obese. In Canada, almost 1 in 3 adults struggle with excess weight after midlife. And here's the number most people never hear: after age 50, resting metabolism slows by 30 to 45%, even if your diet stays the same. Muscle mass declines, fat oxidation decreases, hormonal balance shifts, and nighttime insulin sensitivity drops. This is why people over 50 often say, "I eat less than I used to, but I gain weight more easily." It's not a lack of discipline, it is biology. The older body simply burns fewer calories, especially at night, when metabolism becomes the slowest. That means evening habits matter more than morning workouts, and what you do in the last hour before bed can either increase fat storage or increase fat burn. Now compare this with Japan. Despite having one of the oldest populations in the world, Japan maintains some of the lowest obesity rates among older adults. People in their 60s and 70s walk with ease, carry less abdominal fat, and show better sleep quality. And no, they aren't doing intense gym workouts at night. They follow a different pattern: light movement, calming routine, and metabolic preparation before sleep. So in today's video we're going to break down why Americans and Canadians over 50 gain weight more easily at night, and how a simple Japanese-inspired bedtime routine can help support metabolism, improve sleep quality, and gently encourage fat burning while you rest. This is not a quick fix, not a miracle promise, but a realistic, gentle approach your body can actually sustain. Before we get into the routine, you need to understand the 3 reasons nighttime weight gain happens more in Western lifestyle than in Japan. Reason 1. Late eating habits. In North America, dinner is often eaten 7 to 9 p.m., sometimes even later. Add snacking, desserts, TV munching, and the digestive system becomes active while the body should be winding down. Glucose stays high overnight, fat burning is suppressed, and insulin remains elevated. In Japan, dinner is earlier, smaller, and lighter. Less food late equals easier fat oxidation at night. Reason 2. Blue light and stress. Phones, Netflix, bright lights. The brain stays alert instead of shifting to parasympathetic mode. Cortisol stays elevated, melatonin lowers, sleep depth drops. Shallow sleep equals less growth hormone release equals less overnight fat burn. Japanese routine includes dim lights, tea, breathing. Everything signals the body, it's safe to burn fat now. Reason 3. No gentle movement before bed. Most Western adults go from couch gives bed, gives sleep, with zero muscle activation. A body that is sedentary all day doesn't suddenly burn fat during sleep. In Japan, even elders do small pre-bed movements: ankle flexing, slow leg lifts, pelvic tilts, diaphragmatic breathing. This isn't exercise, it's metabolic activation. It tells the body, we are still using energy. Keep burning. Now think about this. 10 minutes of gentle movement doesn't melt fat instantly, but it raises metabolic rate before sleep, leading to improved overnight fat oxidation. Small habit, big compound effect. If everything I've said so far makes sense to you, keep watching, because in part 2 we'll go step by step through the exact bedtime routine you can try tonight. No equipment, no impact, no complicated movements, just a gentle Japanese-inspired sequence designed for adults over 50 to relax muscles, improve circulation, and prepare the body to burn instead of store. But before we move into the movements themselves, let's make sure your nighttime environment is working for you, not against you. Because even the best routine fails if the conditions around it slow your metabolism. So here's what we're going to do next. 1. Adjust dinner timing. Aim for at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. 2. Replace late-night heavy snacks with a warm herbal or matcha-like tea. 3. Dim the room lights and reduce screens 45 minutes before sleep. 4. Create a calm environment with breathing rhythm, slow inhale, longer exhale. This prepares your nervous system for fat-burning sleep instead of stress storage sleep. In part 2, I'll guide you through the exact Japanese bedtime routine for slow, sustainable fat loss and metabolic activation. Then in part 3, we'll show the movements in sequence so you can follow along every night. If you're ready to make night your strongest ally for weight control, stay with me. Before we get into the movements themselves, there's one thing most fitness videos on YouTube ignore. Fat loss doesn't start with exercise, it starts with preparation. You can do the perfect routine, but if your bedroom environment and night habits send the wrong signals to your body, your metabolism will still choose storage instead of burning. So in this second part, we go in to prepare your body for fat loss the same way the Japanese approach it: calmly, gently, and intelligently, not with force, but with signals. Let's start with something simple but powerful: timing. Studies show that when adults eat late, especially carb-heavy meals, fat oxidation can drop significantly overnight. The body prioritizes digestion instead of recovery. That means less fat is used as fuel, more is stored. So aim to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Even if you can't change what you eat yet, just changing when you eat can improve night fat burn. In Japan, dinner is usually earlier and lighter. Miso soup, fish, vegetables, smaller portion rice. It's not magic food, it's timing and portion control without starvation. Now the second preparation: slow the nervous system. Western nights are noisy: TV, news, emails, bright screens, caffeine, dessert. The brain is active when it should be winding down. When cortisol stays high, fat-burning hormones stay low. The Japanese approach is simple: dim lights, reduce screens, use warm tones. Light tells your brain what time it is. Warm light equals evening, blue light equals daytime. One change can help: lower brightness on your screens, or avoid them 45 minutes before sleep. Think of it as telling your body, we're closing the day. Next, let's talk about a key detail seniors often underestimate: breathing rhythm. Shallow breathing signals stress, slow, deep breathing signals safety. When the body feels safe, it burns fat more easily, not because breathing burns calories, but because calmness increases parasympathetic activity, which unlocks deeper sleep and better hormone balance. A simple method you can try tonight is 4 to 6 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6. Longer exhale releases tension from the nervous system. Try 10 rounds before the routine. You'll feel your shoulders drop and your belly soften. Now, what about beverages? In Western habits, evening drinks often include alcohol, sugary snacks, or heavy desserts. Alcohol might make you fall asleep faster, but it reduces REM and deep sleep, the phases where fat-burning hormones peak. Sugary snacks spike insulin at the worst time possible. But in Japan, nighttime beverages are calming and light. A popular choice is herbal tea, chamomile, barley mujica, or low-caffeine matcha blends. Warm liquids relax the digestive system and increase peripheral circulation. If you want to support metabolism gently, try a non-caffeinated tea instead of dessert. Small swap, big effect. Now picture your bedroom. Is it bright, warm, cluttered? The body sleeps best in a cool, dark room around 18-20 grados. 65-68 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooler temperature signals the body to release melatonin, helping sleep onset and deep fat-burning cycles. A Japanese bedroom tends to be minimal, less distraction, more airflow, futon, or supportive bedding. You don't need a Japanese home to borrow this concept. Just remove visual noise, lower temperature a little, turn off overhead lights. You are designing a fat-burning environment, not just a sleeping space. There's another factor people rarely think about: evening posture. Sitting slouched on a couch for 3 hours closes the ribcage, compresses the digestive organs, and reduces oxygen flow. The routine we'll do soon fix this, but before movement, simply change how you sit. Try sitting with a straight spine or reclining gently instead of folding forward. When oxygen flow improves, metabolism wakes up. Fat needs oxygen to burn, literally. Now let's connect all this preparation into one clear picture. Imagine you have a scale inside your body. Left side says store fat, right side says burn fat. Every evening habit pushes weight toward one side. Late meal gives store, blue light gives store, stress gives store, sugar gives store, stillness gives store, stillness gives store. But early dinner gives burn, warm light gives burn, slow breathing gives burn, warm tea gives burn, gentle movement gives burn. You don't need perfection, you just need more burn signals than store signals. That's how Japanese elders stay lighter without extreme diets. So now you understand why people over 50 struggle with nighttime weight, and how preparation can flip the switch. In the next part, part 3, we go into practice the actual bedtime routine. Slow movements you can do directly on your bed. No equipment, no pain. Just 10 minutes that prepare your muscles, joints, and metabolism for better fat burning overnight. Here's what you will learn in part 3. a gentle ligand core activation to wake metabolism, slow abdominal breathing to increase oxygen and fat use, pelvic tilt plus lower spine mobility for circulation, simple arm and shoulder rhythm to relax tension, a final calming finish to ease sleep onset. This is not fast, not intense, but it works because the body listens to consistency, not force. Most people fail not because they lack effort, but because they try too hard in the wrong direction. You will go in the opposite direction. Slower, calmer, smarter, Japanese style. When you're ready, join me in part 3. Let's do the routine together, step by step, and make tonight the first night you support your metabolism instead of fighting against it. Now we move into part 3, where we will do the actual follow-along bedtime routine. You can do this entire sequence on your bed without shoes or equipment. This is not intense exercise, and you are not trying to burn fat by force. The goal is to gently activate the muscles so the metabolism remains slightly elevated during sleep. When the body enters rest with relaxed breathing and light muscle stimulation, fat oxidation during the night can improve. The movements will start extremely soft, so anyone over 50 can follow, and then gradually progress to slightly more active motions. Still gentle, still safe. Begin lying comfortably on your back with your legs extended. Take one slow breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. We are not rushing, just let your nervous system calm down. Stress signals make the body store fat. Calm signals allow the body to burn it. With that in mind, we start with the feet, because blood circulation from the lower extremities is key for nighttime metabolic activity. Point your right foot forward, then pull the toes back toward your shin. Move slowly and smoothly for about 1 minute, then switch to the left foot. These ankle pumps wake up circulation in the legs, which tend to stay inactive for long periods during the day. Next, bend your knees so your feet rest flat on the bed. Slide your right heel slowly toward your hips, then slide it away again. Continue for several repetitions. This activates the hamstrings and starts engaging muscles gently. Then switch to the left leg and repeat. It is normal to feel your lower back soften into the bed. We are intentionally moving at a slow pace. Slow movement is more relaxing for the nervous system, which sets the stage for deeper fat-burning sleep later. Keep both knees bent for the next step. Tilt your pelvis slightly forward so your lower back arches, then tilt it backwards so your lower back presses softly into the mattress. Alternate slowly between arch and press. This simple movement activates the lower abdominal muscles and improves oxygen flow to the core. Inhale as you arch, exhale as you press into the mattress. Continue for about 2 minutes. Deep core activation increases metabolic activity without strain. Still with bent knees, let both legs fall slowly to the right side, then bring them back to center and drop them to the left. Move gently and avoid forcing the range of motion. This side-to-side movement relaxes the waist and improves mobility around the belly area, which is where many adults store fat after 50. Continue for about 2 minutes, breathing naturally as the lower back and hips release tension. Straighten your right leg and lift it about 8 to 12 inches off the bed. Hold for a moment, then lower it slowly. The lowering phase recruits more muscle fibers than the lift, which helps increase metabolic response. Perform around 8 slow repetitions and then switch to the left leg and do the same. If you feel a mild challenge, that is the goal. We are transitioning from soft activation to mild stimulation without leaving the comfort of the bed. Place one hand on your belly. Take a deep breath in so your hand rises, then exhale slowly so your belly falls. At the end of each exhale, add a gentle 1-second abdominal squeeze. This improves diaphragm engagement and supports fat utilization overnight. Continue for about 1.5 minutes. Fat oxidation depends on oxygen availability, so this breathing style assists metabolism indirectly but meaningfully. Raise your right leg slightly again and draw small circles in the air with your foot, as if you were tracing a coin. Perform around 10 circles clockwise and 10 counterclockwise. Switch to the left leg and repeat. These Japanese slow circles improve joint lubrication and muscle microactivation, which helps the body avoid complete metabolic shutdown during sleep. Even slow circular movement can increase calorie expenditure beyond sedentary resting levels. If comfortable, and if your neck allows, bring both knees up and lift your head and shoulders slightly, just enough to engage the upper abdomen. This is not a crunch and should not cause strain. Hold briefly and lower slowly. Perform 6 to 10 repetitions. This is the most active portion of the routine, but still gentle. Mild activation before sleep has been shown to increase metabolic rate for several hours. Open your knees outward into a butterfly position with the soles of your feet touching. Rest your hands on your chest or abdomen and breathe deeply. This position opens the pelvis, reduces hip tension, and assists circulation in the abdominal area. Remain here for about 2 minutes. The goal is comfort and release, not stretching to the limit. Finally, extend both legs straight again and rest your arms comfortably at your sides. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6. Repeat this slow breathing cycle for 10 rounds. With each exhale, allow your body to sink deeper into the mattress. This final breathing section prepares your body for sleep and transitions the nervous system into recovery mode rather than stress mode. Fat loss at night depends heavily on hormonal calmness. When cortisol is low and breathing is slow, fat-burning pathways become more active. You have now completed a full Japanese-inspired bedtime routine for adults over 50. You did light circulation work, gentle muscle activation, mild core engagement, and calming breath control. None of these movements are intense on their own, but together they send a powerful message to the body: maintain energy use instead of shutting down. Over time, repeating this routine at night can support weight control when paired with the preparation habits discussed in part 2 earlier: dinner, reduced blue light, warm low-caffeine tea, and a cooler, darker bedroom environment. Consistency matters more than intensity. This is not a burn fat overnight miracle, and it will not replace healthy eating or daily activity. But for someone over 50, especially someone who struggles to lose belly fat despite trying, this bedtime approach is a gentle, long-term strategy. Most people try to fight fat in the morning when metabolism is already slow. This routine works with your biology instead of against it by activating muscle groups before rest and supporting deeper recovery sleep where fat oxidation naturally happens. Repeat this nightly or at least several times per week. With time, people often report waking up less stiff, with improved sleep quality, reduced bloating, and better energy throughout the day. The body responds to what we do regularly, not what we do once. If you want to support your metabolism with a sustainable approach, this routine is a simple way to begin.